This video introduces how to troubleshoot abnormal topology display using Ruijie Cloud. There are two types of fault phenomena of abnormal topology display. Type 1, some devices are not displayed or are displayed abnormally. Type 2, instead of displaying devices, the topology displays no data. In this video, we will introduce the troubleshooting steps for these two types of fault phenomena. Check if there have been any changes to the device interfaces, static routes, dynamic routing configurations, or the addition or removal of devices from the network. If any of these situations exist, try manually updating the topology first. Failure to update the topology may result in displaying previously calculated topology results, which may not accurately reflect the actual network topology. To update the topology, click View Topology, and then click Update Topo. Once the update process is complete, check if the topology display is normal. Please note that to update the topology, you need to manually trigger the topology update after the ARP and MAC table entries on the switch have aged out. It takes some time to update the topology. Please wait until the upgrade is complete. If the issue persists after you update the topology, follow these steps. Step 1. The EG gateway and core switch on the actual topology are layer 3 devices. In this case, check if the core switch on the network is a Ruijie product. Then, run relevant commands such as show MAC, show ARP, or show IP route on the core switch. If any of these three commands fails, the EG gateway cannot obtain the MAC address of the core switch, and the topology on Ruijie Cloud will only display the EG gateway, but not the core switch. Step 2. The EG gateway and core switch on the actual topology are layer 2 devices. In this case, check if the core switch on the network is a Ruijie product. Then, run relevant commands such as show MAC, show ARP, or show IP route on the core switch. If any of these three commands fails, the topology displayed on Ruijie Cloud will indicate that all switches are directly connected to the EG gateway, rather than being connected to the core switch. Step 3. In the actual topology, multiple switches are connected to an uplink device that is not a Ruijie gateway product. In this case, Ruijie Cloud will fail to calculate the root node, but will select one of the switches as the root node to display the topology, resulting in abnormal topology display. Step 4. Verify if virtual switching unit or virtual router redundancy protocol configurations are present on the network. These configurations can cause inaccurate topology displays on Ruijie Cloud. Step 5. For any device that is not displayed on the topology, run the following commands on the device: show MAC, show ARP, and show IP route include S**. If any of these three commands fail to retrieve information or return an empty result, the device will not be displayed on the topology. Step 6. A device will not be displayed on the topology if its web CLI is inaccessible. Ensure that multiple switches do not form a high availability ring. When switches form a high availability ring and there is no EG gateway on the network, the root device and interface cannot be identified, resulting in the display of no data on the topology. Verify if there are only access points on the network. If the network only contains access points, then add either an EG gateway or a Ruijie switch to the network. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us. See you in the next video.